Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be headed into Publix. Today is November the 16th, 2022. I'm so excited about these deals because we have 15 amazing deals that are going to be done with just your phone. There are no paper coupons needed at all for these deals. Plus, on top of that, these are some great grocery deals. I love when I can go in the store and actually get some amazing grocery deals for my family, and it's just not fluff that we don't need. Everything that you're going to see in this video, I'm sure that you could use for groceries, for cleaning, even for the holiday season coming up. Guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Also, join me on my Facebook and my Instagram group so you know when all of my deals are coming out. In addition, there is a printable breakdown in the description box that you can print off and take in the store, or you can just pull it up on your phone and take that in the store instead of writing all of these deals down. All right, guys, let's get started on some amazing grocery deals this week. The very first digital deal we have is this Campbell's condensed soups. I buy these for things that I make at Thanksgiving and just for crock pot meals. The ones that I like are $1.57. So they are buy one, get one free. It's going to make each can just 79 cents. This is a no coupons needed deal, so you don't need anything at all to get this amazing deal of 79 cents for this Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So you know, if chicken broth is on sale, then I am picking it up. These are $2.92. They are buy one, get one free. So each one is going to be $1.46 each. This is a no coupons needed deal. Again, I'm sure it's on sale because it is the holidays. I went ahead and picked up 6 containers because I know I will need it to make my cornbread dressing. Do you guys make cornbread dressing or do you make stuffing for your turkey? Please let me know in the comments because I better make that cornbread dressing for my family or they will be very upset. Next thing are these Lindsay olives. My daughter loves black olives, so when I buy her a can of these, they will be gone in no time at all. This is also great to have for your serving trays for the holidays. Now, the Publix store brand olives were $2.12, but these Lindsay olives are $2.49. They are buy one, get one free, so it'll make each can of olives just $1.25. I think that's a pretty great deal because they've got some olives that are even up to $3 and $4 each. So $1.25, buy one, get one free. No. You also know, in addition to the chicken broth, if ketchup is on sale, I'm also going to pick that up. My kids go through about a bottle per week. This ketchup is usually $5.29. This is the favorite ketchup in our house. Because it is buy one, get one free at $5.29, it's going to be $2.65 each. Now, I went to scan this on my Ibotta app to see if anything attaches. This $1 rebate does not attach. However, when I scanned my receipt at the end, it did end up attaching. So if you do pick this up, make sure that you check off this $1 Ibotta rebate on the app, and then when you scan your receipt, it should attach. It worked for me, making this bottle of ketchup just $1.65 each. These Idahoan potatoes are one of my favorite things to get at Publix because you don't need any coupons for these potatoes when these come on sale. They're great to keep in your cabinet just for quick meals that you are making or to supplement something that you're making. Also, these are awesome things to donate to your food pantry. Perfect sizes on these. Now, these are usually $1.31. Because they're buy one, get one free, they're going to be about 66 cents each. No coupons needed on this deal, and just a great thing to keep in your cabinet for whenever you need it. The next deal is so great that I had to stock up on this. I love it when Ibotta has a limit of 5, so that means you can pick up 5 packages of whatever it is and get the rebate back on all 5 of those. So these Chips Ahoy are usually $4.18, but they're buy one, get one free, so they're $2.09 each. We're going to be getting $1 back on each package, so that's going to make each one just $1.09. That's huge savings. Now, this rebate is on the Hershey's Fudge Filled, and the Candy Blast cookies. So check this deal out. My kids were so excited when they came home and saw all these cookies on the counter. All right, another killer deal on some snacks. These Lay's potato chips are usually $4.59 each. However, they are buy one, get one free. So it's going to make each bag of chips $2.30. Now for this deal, this is a Publix digital deal. You're going to have to pick up 5 of these participating products. I went ahead and just picked up 5 bags of chips. When I did, my total was $11.50 for 5 bags of chips. Taking off that $3 Publix coupon, our total is going to come down to $8.50. Now, because we're getting 5 bags, each bag is going to be $1.70. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the additional money I got back from Fetch by submitting my receipt for these Lay's chips. So this is a killer deal. These are going to be 89 cents each. Wow, on this detergent. I love buying this detergent for my expected mothers in my life for baby shower gifts. These are usually $6.28. That gentle detergent is always so pricey, but it's cheaper than that Dreft detergent. Now, I was just going to get the regular bottles, but my daughter saw this $1 coupon on these bottles. And then I checked the offer on Ibotta, and I definitely can use this coupon plus get my Ibotta offer back. If I was at Walmart, I wouldn't be able to use the coupon in the Ibotta offer, but I am able to use it here. So let's break it down. Awesome deal. So the Arm & Hammer detergent is going to be buy one, get one free. So it's going to be $3.14. That amazing $1 coupon that you see stuck to the detergent my daughter saw in the way back is going to bring our total down to $2.14. Then we have this $1.25 Ibotta rebate. That's going to bring it down to 89 cents. Plus, this is a limit of 5 on Ibotta. So you can pick up 5 bottles, use 5 of these coupons if there are on the bottles, and get back $1.25 each on Ibotta, making it 89 cents each. Killer deal on these. A big reason I love shopping at Publix and using Ibotta is I'll use products or try products that I've never used before simply by matching the sale price to the Ibotta rebate. And I am so excited I found this deal because I need it. This is on the OxiClean Max Force laundry stain. Now, they have the spray and they also have the stick. The stick did not pull up an Ibotta rebate, but the spray did. Now, this spray is usually over $4, but it's on sale for $6. So each bottle of spray is going to be $3. Then we're going to get back $1 on Ibotta, which is going to make this spray just $2 each. There's a limit of 5 on here, so I went ahead and picked up 5 bottles because this is something I always can use in my house. Very excited. No paper coupons needed, no Publix coupons needed, just getting some money back on Ibotta, $2 each. All right, another easy deal on this Smithfield bacon. Bacon is so high. This is usually $8.23 each. But this bacon is on sale, 2 for $10. Just drives me crazy. The packaging on these type of things just keep getting smaller and smaller. So each pack of bacon is going to be $5. We also have an any rebate on Ibotta for 10 cents. So this pack of bacon is going to end up being $4.90. I'm working my way towards my bonus to get my free turkey from Ibotta. How far are you guys away from getting your free turkey from Ibotta? I think I met the goal today. We shall see. The next thing is going to be on this Hormel pepperoni. One of our kiddos loves this pepperoni. So this pepperoni is going to end up being about $3.33 per pack. There is a 50-cent Publix digital coupon. So after the Publix digital coupon, the pepperoni is going to be $2.83. Now, I've heard that some people said that there are some of the Hormel products on the Ibotta app. I did not have any Hormel products on the Ibotta app, but check yours. You'll never know. You may have it on there. Sometimes that happens. But after the Publix digital coupon, it's going to end up being just $2.83 for this pack of pepperoni. Now, the next thing is going to be on this Chobani creamer. This creamer is one of the favorites that I enjoy at work. Everybody at work is always saying, you got any of that creamer? Please bring some of that creamer in. And I try to do my best to bring it in for them. So again, this is a no paper coupons needed deal. This Chobani creamer is going to be just $1.70 after the rebate from checkout 51. Now, if you do have paper coupons, which you might, there is a $1 paper coupon, so it'll make these creamers just a 70 cents after the checkout 51 and the paper coupon. So that's even better deal, just 70 cents on this Chobani creamer. Now, the next thing is something I get all the time. This is the sour cream. This sour cream is just going to be $1.04. It is a buy one, get one free deal, and I do need this for my Thanksgiving casseroles. So they're usually $2.08, but I'm just going to spend $1.04 after the buy one, get one free rebate. All right, this is a great deal. I was so excited to get some meat and also a coupon for meat. Anytime I can get meat deals or veggies and fruit deals, I always want to let you guys know. So this Jimmy Dean sausage, I like the hot sausage, is usually $5 per pack, but we're going to be getting them for $2.25 using this $2.50 digital Publix coupon. Now, I'm going to pick this up. They're 2 for $7, so they're about $3.50 each before the coupon. And then we're going to use that coupon, and it'll bring both of these sausages down to $4.50 or $2.25 each. I'm definitely going to use this to make some biscuits and gravy for my family and possibly a dip for the football game this weekend. So, you know, our family makes blessing bags and passes these out to people who are in need. And so anytime I can get a good deal on some quality bags like this, some gallon-sized bags, I always do. So these Glad Flex and Seal, it's only the Flex and Seal, are on sale. They're usually $3.99, but they're buy one, get one free. So each box is $2. There is a coupon on the Coupons app that you can submit your receipt and get back 75 cents. So it'll make each box of these just $1.25. If you don't need bags, you can get the press and seal liners that go over top of bowls, or even the smaller bags. Now, earlier I told you there were some Fetch rewards that we did get. I was able to get back $2.33 today in Fetch rewards, and that was going to come from the Lay's potato chips and also the Chips Ahoy. Now, I was able to get back 50 cents on the Lay's potato chips when I bought 2, and for the Chips Ahoy when I bought 2, so I got back $1.60 on that from Fetch. So always scan your receipt, even if you don't think or know you're going to be getting something. Fetch is a great way to rack up the Fetch points. I'll get a $50 gift card and won't even realize I have even earned that much. Now, here is our Ibotta that we did get. As you can see, I got the 5 OxyClean, the Heinz ketchup, which was not supposed to be on there, but it came on there anyway, so make sure you check that off. I got the 5 Chips Ahoy cookies. Now, There was a glitch, and I got back $2 on one of the Arm & Hammer. I guess it thought I got the 100 ounce instead, and then I got back $1.25 on 4 of the Arm & Hammer. So I'll take both of those glitches on the Heinz and on the Arm & Hammer. And then I got back that 10-cent pork. So I got back 6 offers in total, and I think I only needed 5 to get to my turkey bonus. So that was really good. Guys, please let me know if I missed any deals that you think I might want to go back into Publix and get this week. And also, let me know what your favorite deals were today. Also, let me know about your bonus. Are you at your turkey bonus for Ibotta or not? I would love to hear it. All right, I will see you guys next time in my CVS video.